Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on the single crochet stitch. Now we've already begun with our basic chain. If you don't know how to do this, go ahead and watch our previous video and it'll teach you how to start your project. We're going to have our yarn and our hook in hand. And now we're going to start in the second chain from the hook. This is a term you'll hear a lot in your patterns. And it's going to tell you which of these loops here to start in. So we're going to work in the second chain. You can see here we have one chain right here and two chains right here. So we're going to start in the second chain from the hook right here. For a single crochet, we're going to insert our hook into the loop like so, and then we're going to catch the yarn here. I just reached through and looped it around so that my hook is going to pull it through. You pull it through the loop and you now have two loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull that through the two loops. And that is your first single crochet. Let's do it again. Insert your hook into the loop, catch the thread, pull it through. You have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's another single crochet. Let's do a few more together. This is a good basic stitch that you can practice just to help make sure everything is nice and even. When you first start crochet, things will be a little bit uneven as you're learning the stitches and learning how to make it work. That's okay. Just go ahead and keep practicing, and this is a good basic stitch. Now when you do crochet, let me show you. It's really, really easy to pull out and fix mistakes. You just grab your incoming thread and you pull out. And then start from wherever you need to and keep going. One more time, insert hook, grab yarn, two loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. All right, and that is a row of single crochets. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.